my son?
Put the I just redid the suspension, put the strut, shock, the lowering frame. We did the camber shit. We did all that shit.
Put a cam in this
Nah,
bitch.
camber.
Oh. Still Chevy.
Huh? With all the camber shit.
Oh, these like, oh, so what these do?
I can
You gotta,
I can adjust them.
you got the little knob to do it. What you got them at right now?
2.5.
It ride better?
Ride, bro. That shit ride good as a bitch.
And it's an automatic. Man, fuck it, man. I'm gonna just go ahead and get that drop top.
That's what I'm looking for.
Fuck it. I can show you one, bro.
A white, it's a white.
Nah, it's burgundy. Hey, Quan, what you snooping on drop top?
My son.
Yeah.
I seen a black one with some 800 the other day. A drop top. Black one with
You still smell the paint. You know that shit. That's crazy. You took this bitch on the track yet? She ain't finished. Yeah, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute. Enjoy this video. I just wanted to show y'all what I'm doing right now behind these snippets. Y'all.